Umentri rangba ka jilla ukonrat ke sangma henin kesngi ulahir shawes Giant Hills banyaslog bat ki self-help group baper na ka tega thany ki balaya shakmat ha ka jingtre kam jongki habakren ha ka tega jingalang ka belalong hamadan tershi umentri rangba ulaong baka sorkar megalia kala persang ban kintiu kat bala ye ki self-help group da ka bakershan jingarap yaki kinhun bakin nang kiusha prang bat longkum kinong kershan kabasdang nado ka front end jong ka sorkar hakani gesngi umentri rangba hakajing non rangkat UMLA ka than kila sam ya karam ka ba profo alak tangka shake profo artli ki self help group ya ke balai rapisa da ka megalia rural bank ka waina ki bank ba panyiso berka sorkar ban panya chakamat ya ka national rural livelihood mission.
If our state needs to go for a massive vaccination drives, it is these 35,000 self-help groups who must come forward. Today we saw 3 of these self-help groups achieve 100% vaccination. Why can't each and every 35,000 group members, all the women self-help groups, from each family there is one person. If these women take it up to themselves and say that we will push the vaccination program, it's a matter of vaccination, not even months. This is the power of an institutional setup. And this is what the self-help group movement gives. We have a lot of problem when it comes to women's health and child's health. Why can't these self-help groups play a major role in the malnutrition and undernutrition of children? Tomorrow we are going to start programs for early childhood development. Why can't these self-help groups be the front end for the government, where we focus on the early childhood programs through these self-help group movements, because they're all made up of our women in the state. So therefore, one cannot just simply look at this self-help group and think, well, only livelihood program, what beyond that? There is much more. It's a network that can create miracles in the state. It's a network that can change the dynamics of our livelihood, of our health, our education, our children's future. Everything can happen through this very, very strong, I should say, magical network that has been created today. So therefore, friends, it's much bigger than what you're seeing right now. There's a huge vision and a goal that we have, but we need to work on it step by step, and to be able to give them financial support so that they can create livelihood. That is the first program. And the second program is one of the biggest farmer welfare programs that any state government in the Northeast, I would say, has taken up, and definitely the biggest in Meghalaya, which is the program of Focus, where producer groups are being given 5,000 rupees per member in the group. And today, 46 groups will be receiving financial benefit for that. In the beginning, in 2018, when we had taken over the government, and in the first assembly session that we had, I had told the people of the state that it is not necessary that we will be doing different things, but I can assure you that we will be doing it differently. And the reason I say that is because there have been many programs that the government of India and government of Meghalaya have come out with. But we have seen that even though the programs have been good, the implementation of these programs have not been to the impact and the effective level that it should have been. And that is why I told the people that we will not necessarily do different things, but we'll do them differently. And I'm happy to inform you that when it comes to NRLM, that is exactly what we have achieved. Under NRLM, Before 2018, we had 3,000 self-help groups in the state. Whereas, in the last 3.5 years, we have formed 34,000 self-help groups. 34,000. Under NRLM, before 2018, for 5 to 6 years to 7 years, we had distributed 35 crores in the span of last 10 years before 2018. But in 3.5 years of this MDA government, we have distributed 124 crores under NRLM scheme. From 35 crores in 10 years to 124 crores in 3.5 years. Where in 10 years, loans amounting to 12 crores were distributed in 10 years' time. In the last 3.5 years, we have distributed 66 crores of loans in last 3.5 years. This is what we mean when we say that we will do things differently.